Hi everybody, I am Nick Frost and this is my latest trick ever. So this is the deck of cards, normal deck of cards. Let's see the cards. I will just show it them. It is from below. And the backs. Normal. Okay, first let's give the deck a shuffle. And please Bianca, tell me how many cards do you want?
2.
Yeah, 1. And the second card from the bottom, it is your card, your choice. I will just show it to the camera, I won't look at it. So this is her card. I will place it in the deck and give the deck a shuffle. Sorry, a bit of clumsy. Next time just gonna have a look to the deck. Okay. Let's give the cards a card. And please tell me a number between 5 and 10.
6.
Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So there are 6 cards. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I will mix them a little bit and I will show to the camera. So see, they are usual cards, normal cards. Isn't them? Aren't them? Okay, so again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 cards. I think the top card is your card, isn't it?
No.
This is your card. Okay. Let's count the cards again. Let's see. 1, 2, 3. Sorry. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So there are 6 cards. I will place them there. And I just wave my hands over them. Do something like this. My hand is clear. Let's count the cards again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, a card is missing. Let's see them face up. 2, 3, 4, 5. What card do you think is missing? It is your card, isn't it? Your card is
Yes.
missing. Okay, then where is your card? See, my hand is clear. I will just do something like this. And the top card of the deck is your card. That means
Yes.
I was right, isn't it?
Yes.
Okay. Thank you everybody. This is my trick, so see you next time.